Heyo, it's Anna from Atlas and this is 1 minute map hacks. In this video, I will show you how to run multiple buffer analysis at once. So if you're used to running buffer analysis, it's one of the most common vector operations. If you always run it at once, but you would maybe like to see several radius or several buffer at once, this operation is for you. So just to recap, in vector operations, like the second operation there is buffer, and that is right there. So you usually run it at once like this. But if you want several radius, let's just hide that one. We'll go and search. It is in tools and workflows, but you can also search. And then you do the same thing. You choose the layer, but then you type in several by clicking 1000, 1500 and 2000, add, and then run, and it'll run once all of those like this. Super. Then of course putting the points on top, and here's your multiple buffer.